Hey everyone, MrTass here at the MrTass 3D Print Shop. Got a little item to check out here, another one from Simrex. This is the WK-07 Walkie Talkies. It's a walkie talkie 2-pack for kids ages 3 to 12. You can see here it's $22 and there's a 10% coupon. Also make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it, so I can keep bringing you fun content, and who knows what I'll get and what I'll review. But in this case, it's some kids walkie talkies. They've got about a 650-foot range. So it's not anything you're taking on a cruise, not anything you're using. It's just for them to play in the yard, to the house, and different things that way. So you can see here. But let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of it. And bonk, bye-bye website. So here you go. Packaging, nice Simrex WK-07. You can see LED icon, uses 3 1.5 volt AAA batteries. Great for a parent or a child game. It's got a wireless receiver, power indicator, dialogue key, power on switch, bell mouth, and the mic. The bell mouth must be the speaker. But a little bit of tape right there, and we are in the package. So inside, here we go. You've got a little instruction manual here. I'm sure it's pretty straightforward on the use. It does come with a 12-month warranty that you can register for. So there's that. And then you've got the 2 walkie-talkies here. 1 and 2. And we'll set that packaging aside. And more packaging. And so there we go. Now it looks like we do need to get into these and put some batteries in. Let's just check it out real quick. So hand size, about width of a normal adult palm. You got the switch to turn it on here, and a button to push to talk. And that is pretty much it for switches. So I've got some batteries ready to go over here. So we just unscrew that. There's one. There's 2. They don't want you to get into these batteries. So you'll need 6 AAA batteries between the 2 walkies. Never mind the drops. Notice I don't have my watch on right now. It's charging. And also notice my hands can't seem to hold anything today. And there we go, last battery. There you go. All right, I'm not going to worry about screwing this down too tight, because I'll probably take these out, repackage them, and they will make a nice Christmas gift for my own toddler. There's no reason they should go to waste. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to flip that one on, flip that one on. Got a red indicator light there. Testing, 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 testing. All right, so I'm going to set the microphone here. I'm going to set that there. Okay, so we're going to test.
So now we're going to test the walkie as I'm walking away. I am now on the other side of the room.
So this is me talking from the other side of the room.
This is me talking into the walkie. So pretty clear. I think it's pretty clear over there. We'll find out when we get back to the video.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are 2 walkie-talkies. Put this back on here. Great for kids, and at $20, if something happens to them, you're not going to be too worried about it. But they'll have fun playing around the yard, playing in forts, doing whatever they want to do. Nice, easy switch to turn it off. And there you go. So that's the Simrex walkie-talkies Kids 2-pack. Until next time, thanks. Bye.